Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying Miui 14 and enabling developer options. This grants access to the settings you'll change. Once done, back up your quick settings layout so you can restore if anything breaks. You must install Magisk with module support if you plan to use the only proven method to blur Control Center. This is required because stock Miui does not expose blur toggles. Now reboot and confirm root and module framework are active before moving on. You will now apply the system-level change that creates the blur effect. First, install the Magisk module designed for Miui Control Center blur and enable it in Magisk. The module injects an overlay into System UI. Then open the module settings or edit the overlay XML to set the blur radius and tint. Higher values equal stronger blur. Once configured, clear the System UI cache or Run Framework rebuild commands. Then reboot so the changes are loaded and visible. To finish, swipe down to open the Control Center and observe the new blur. Test opening notifications and quick toggles to ensure smooth transitions. If you encounter lag or graphical glitches, make sure to lower the blur radius, disable conflicting hardware overlays, or toggle module options. These adjustments reduce CPU/GPU load. If anything fails, restore your quick settings backup or uninstall the Magisk module to revert to stock behavior. One key tip: keep a backup before every change so you can recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.